morning. I am Srilekha, Department of Chemistry. Today we are going to talk about on the topics of a TD-based TDO designating concept of a potentiometer within the strength of ion by using a potential dichromate. So here, the aim of this principal experiment is to do the unknown solution to the standard solution of a potentiometer reactions. So whether the potential dichromate versus the FAA solution, ferrous ammonium sulfate and the potential dichromate solution, which will react with this acid and the base reaction solution. So we are going to identify whether what is the acid reactions and the base reactions to form in the potentiometer. And the electrode's potential developed by using the form of a values, and we can plot the graph by using these values. So now the short versions can be controlled by the thermal matrix. Also, dual solution we are using this experiment. K2Cr27, that is the potassium dichromate solution we are taking as a dual solution. What's the liquid solution? FAS, that is the ferrous ammonium sulfate as a basic reactions to form the reactions with the ferrous ammonium sulfate, which is transferred to the ferric ammonium sulfate. So ferrous we are going to convert as a ferric with this reaction, that is of Fe2 plus ions. And what is the electrodes we are using in this experiment? Platinum and Kelong electrode. So in this experiment only we are using two electrodes because the platinum electrode, which is considered as a standard reference electrode. So standard reference electrode, which is considered as the voltage produced with the zero voltage. So it is considered as a reference electrode. And with this combined formation, we are calculating the electrodes with the Kelong electrode. So Kelong electrode is considered with this voltages of 0.14 voltages. So we are combined by using this the standard electrode and the Kelong electrode, primary electrode and the secondary electrode. Then only we can find out the reactions and how the electrodes can be developed by using these reactions by acid and the base reactions. And what is the additional solution we are adding? Dilute H2SO4. So by adding the H2SO4 solution, the reactions can be turned only the ferrous into a ferric solution by transferring of the electrons and maintaining the temperature at a room temperature. So in this experiment, we are adding the foundation to form the room temperature only. And with this, what is the experiment we are using in this potentiometer? By values calculating the potentiometers by the formation of a dual solution and a liquid solution, we are adding into this beaker, and we are adding the two electrodes with the platinum and the Kelong electrode. By adding the 1 ml of the dual solution into this conical flask and with the stirring of the solution, we can get the color changes into with the green. White color with changes to the green color. Then only we will have to convert the basic reaction, that is the FA is going to convert as a reaction as a ferric ammonium sulfate with the Fa plus, which is considered as a Fe2 plus ion. So the reactions can be carried out by using the form of Fe2 plus ion with the potassium chromate that is act as a Cr2O7 with the liberations of the H plus ions. So H plus ions with the transfer of electrons with this 6eFe with the 2 plus ion again converting as a ferric. So 2 plus electron, gain of electron, which is converted as a 3 plus, and with this chromate solution, the ore moves with the water molecules and react with this 2Cr 3 plus and with this H2O. The removal of water molecules from the chromate reaction, the changes have to be happened by using the form of ferrous ammonium into a ferric ammonium sulfate solution. So by taking in this reactions by the values of the 0 to 10 level of the solution, the values can be gradually decreases. At the sudden values, the values can be increases. So at the increasing value, we will get the final values how the ferrous ammonium sulfate can be transferred into a ferric ammonium sulfate solution in the form of solution by gradual decreases and at the gradual increases of the values. So this is our end point, how the ferrous can be transferred into a ferric ammonium sulfate solution. So by using these values, we have to plot the graph for the volume of potassium dichromate solution versus del E by del V. For that, we have to calculate the formula in the table. So we are taking the values in the potentiometer, and by calculating the del E values from this, minus in values from the second value to one value. So likewise, we are actually taking this value. And same as with the del V values, volume also with this, minus in values with this 1 ml. And with this divide by del E by del V, we can calculate this values. So by using this del E by del E and volume of potassium dichromate, we have to plot the graph of these two reactions, and we will get the plot with this graph values We have considered this del E by del V, mean volume of potassium bicarbonate solution, and we have got these values. We will get this spectrum graph with these values of a sharp peak values for the reactions. So by taking this midpoint value, we will get this how the potentiometer is developed by using in the form of potassium dichromate and FAS with the values.